These extra long wrench sets from Klutch give you just the reach or leverage you need to tighten and loosen fasteners. Each set includes 14 12-point wrenches. The SAE set includes sizes 3/8 inches through 1 1/4 inches. And the metric set includes sizes 10 millimeters to 24 millimeters. All of these high-quality wrenches are constructed of chrome vanadium steel with a full polish finish for excellent durability. Both sets include a pouch for convenient storage and travel. Tackle all your hard-to-reach projects with extra leverage with these extra long wrench sets from Klutch.